Welcome everybody, welcome to English 106, Reading and Writing Connections. My name is Renato Escovedo, but you may call me Ru, and I will be your guide this semester as you develop your critical thinking, reading and writing skills in preparation for English 1A. I'm very happy to be here, and I am happy to meet every one of you and work with every one of you individually and in groups so that you can not only improve your writing and reading skills and your learning skills, but also so that you can learn to recognize and develop and master your own processes as learners, your own processes as writers, and your own processes as readers. There's a lot to do this semester. It should be a lot of fun. Everything that you need to get started in the course is on this page. This is our home page. Okay, but for now, that's it. I just wanted to say hello and have you see me, and I look forward to working with you.